Hey, what's new? It's Mr. Zunig again. How are you today, third graders? Once again, it's time to catch up on phonics. So let's take a lesson and let's work on. Are you ready? I hope so. So let's work on. Today's work will be solving pages 21 and 22. Okay? And as a reminder, I'd like you to recall that we need some materials, as always. So gather these materials. You need All-Star Phonics and Word Studies. I'm talking about the phonics book. You all know. You need a pencil, an eraser, possibly a sharpener, and something to decorate. That's up to you. A coloring pencil or a marker, that'll do. So let's work on. And let's remind you what this lesson is about. It's about three-letter blends. Remember, when we tell the word blend, we talk about consonants that work together to make a syllable. Examples of that would be, for example, screw, spray, street. Got it? All right, good job. Let's work on. Please turn your book on page 21. And let's print the date on the heading of the page, right over here. Okay, don't forget to print the date. What's the date today? Today is Tuesday, April 20th, 2020. Once again, don't forget to capitalize day and month. Don't forget the use of commas and period, and don't forget this superscript. With that said, let's move on. Okay, let's work on find it. Find it is this exercise. Okay, and look, we have a word bank over here. That's what I want to bring to light. What are the words we have? It's this list of 10 words, and I'd like you all to repeat after Mr. Zuniga. So please, repeat after Mr. Zuniga. Screw, spring, scream, strap, strip, scratch, stripe, splash, spray, strong. Okay, and don't forget, the sound should be like S, not S. Please make sure you don't sound it like S, screw. No. Should be screw. Right on. Screw. And I cross this out because that's gonna be the first answer. Don't forget to cross out, to draw a line on the words you are using already for the answers. So let's put hands on work and let's do number 1. And as you can guess, it'll be splash. So number 1, splash. Don't forget to use cursive handwriting. Do cursive handwriting. Don't use printing handwriting. Cursive. Okay. Number 2, what you see in the picture is a screw. Screw. Number 3 is a string. A string holding the balloon. Number 4 is a scream. Like, who's the screaming in the class? Victoria, and who else? Who's the other screamer? I forgot. Scream. And number 5, like Mr. Zuniga, strong. 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 Number 6, stripe, stripe, stripe. Number 7, spring. Summer, autumn, winter, spring. Scratch, spray. You need to spray some hand sanitizer on your shoes because of coronavirus, huh? Number 10, strap. Like the one of your backpack, like the ones of your backpack. Okay, with that said, all thing we need to do now is to circle the blends, the 3 little blends. So, SPL in splash, SCR in screw, skr, skr, str, str, spr. SCR in scratch, SPR in spray, str. Okay, we're done with this page. Let's move on. Let's work on this one. It's page 22. This one with the ship. Okay, and let's work on the part that says solve it. Solve it. On that exercise, you'll be given 2 boxes. One with these blends, skr, str, spr, spl. And the additional letters, o, it, ong, im, enko, a, as, it. What do you need to do? Grab a pencil or a coloring pencil or a marker. I do suggest a pencil in case you need to erase. But for decoration, I'd suggest the coloring pencils. Erasable and nice. So use a pencil, whatever, and draw a line. For example, here, skr, im, and we get the word scream, scream, scream. And any other with SCR? We have none, so let's continue with STR. Straw, strong, street, stream, stray. Okay, I think that'll be all for STR. So let's think about words with these blend. SPR, spr, sprinkle, spray. Maybe that's all. So let's work on SPL. Splash, split. I think we're done. So how about now writing these words we got from these 2 columns, and write them in the lines. These lines, okay? We write them in those blanks. So let's fill the blanks in this order. Order doesn't matter really, but try to stick to my order. Number 1, straw. Don't forget to use cursive, not printing. Cursive handwriting. Number 2, strong. Number 3, scream. Number 4, stream. Remember, we don't say stream. No, we're not. Sorry to say this, but we're not Mexican. Stream, okay? Not a stream. We're not Spanish. We're Hondurans who learned an acceptable, a decent accent of English. So number 5, spray, not spray. Please no. Please don't say spray. No, no, no. Spray. Number 6, stray. Number 7, street. Number 8, split. Number 9, sprinkle. Number 10, splash. Okay, that'll be all. Okay, we're done. So have it in these blanks. Let's continue on this exercise. So let me switch my screen to this exercise, the one that says think and link. This one, you can see a picture of a ship and there is rain sprinkling on it or on her. And there is this kind of riddle. It doesn't sound too fun to us because we're not native English speakers, but it's kind of funny if you think about it. You won't laugh out loud, but you will find it curious. So question goes like, what do you get when a ship gets sprinkled and splashed in a storm? So it's like a joke. We should get it from this a wet blanket, and we're meant to be able to think the actual word is blanket. So the missing letters are B, L, and as you know, this is a blend, BL blend, blanket. So it's a wet blanket, because the wool we get from the sheep, we use it to sew, to loom some sheets, some squids and stuff, tablecloth, bedclothes, etc. So a blanket is an example of that. It's not that funny, I know, but it's interesting. Okay, there's something else we need to do. We need to circle the blends we found in the riddle. So I already did it for you, and you must be figuring them out by now. It's SPR and sprinkle. Feel free to use another color. SPL and splashed. Okay, we're looking only for 3-letter blends, not 2-letter blends. So these are the only ones we're going to circle in this riddle. Kids, I'm about to tell you the assignment. This is the last thing today. So let's talk about your assignment. As usual, all I need to see is that you guys walked with me through the video and completed these 2 pages. So I need a photo of these 2 pages on my WhatsApp account today. Be in touch with me. I need to see that work. There might be corrections in case you didn't follow my directions. So that'll be all, kids. Before we go, a little gift for you after your great job. And it'll be a beautiful picture I ran into. A picture of a house made of candy and sweet cake. It's glazed, and it's snowed and everything. So after this glazing picture, bye bye, kids. See you later.